Welcome to Buyer's Guide. The best folding chair is probably one of the most versatile pieces of furniture you can own, offering unparalleled convenience for everything from backyard barbecues and camping trips to impromptu seating at parties or sporting events. Imagine effortlessly setting up comfortable seating wherever you go, transforming any outdoor space into a relaxing oasis or a functional gathering spot in seconds. This guide will help you navigate the world of folding chairs, ensuring you find the perfect blend of portability, durability, and comfort to suit all your outdoor adventures and everyday needs. Number 5. Coleman Portable Camping Chair with Cooler. Introducing the ultimate camping companion. This chair keeps your drinks cold with its built-in cooler, so you never have to leave your seat. Enjoy easy access to your beverages with the mesh cup holder. Plus, keep your essentials close with handy side pockets. Experience superior comfort with a fully cushioned seat and backrest. It's designed for relaxation wherever you go. Crafted with a strong steel frame, this chair is built for durability. It's ready for all your outdoor adventures. Comes with a convenient carry bag, making it simple to take anywhere. Perfect for camping, tailgating, and more. What we like? This chair comes with a built-in cooler, perfect for keeping your drinks cold. It also offers a fully cushioned seat and back for maximum comfort. If you're looking for a chair that keeps your refreshments close and provides a cozy seating experience, this is the one for you. What people say. The built-in cooler pouch is such a nice bonus. It's perfect for keeping a few drinks cold and within reach, and the cup holder is really convenient too. This Coleman camping chair is super comfortable with great cushioning on both the seat and back. The built-in cooler is perfect for keeping drinks cold, and the cup holder and side pockets are really convenient. The larger seating area and padding make it a pleasure to sit on for a long time. And it's rated to hold up to 300 pounds. Number 4. Alpha Camp Heavy Duty Camping Chair 500 pounds. Tired of chairs that can't handle your weight? This camping chair features a heavy-duty steel frame and reinforced design, supporting up to 500 pounds. Its durable, anti-rust coating ensures it will last through every season. Designed with extra-wide seating and a fully padded backrest, this chair offers unparalleled comfort. You'll feel like you're sitting on a sofa, even when you're out in nature. No more feeling cramped. Keep your beverages chilled and your essentials close at hand. It comes with a built-in cooler bag, a spacious cup holder, and a convenient side pocket for your phone or snacks. Setting up and packing away is a breeze, taking only seconds without any tools. It folds down easily and comes with a heavy-duty carry bag, making it simple to take anywhere. Perfect for camping, fishing, tailgating, or just relaxing in your backyard. Made with tear-resistant, easy-to-clean fabric, this chair is built to be your reliable outdoor gear for years to come. What we like? This chair boasts an incredible 500 pounds weight capacity and an extra-wide seat, making it ideal for larger individuals. It also features an integrated cooler bag to keep your drinks chilled. If you're a big and tall person seeking a robust, comfortable, and convenient outdoor seat, this is your best bet. What people say. Sturdy with cup holder and a storage pouch. Very sturdy. Should be great in any outdoor situation. Good storage options for cooled goods, phones or books. Pleasantly surprised with this outdoor chair. I chose this over the Coleman version because of the additional tubing on all four corners for better stability as well as the large foot plates to avoid digging into the ground. The chair is true to its description and is roomy and comfortable. There's a small insulated pocket that will hold several cans or bottles of your favorite beverage as well as a cup holder and additional hanging side pocket for miscellaneous items. Number 3. Boreeman Upgraded Folding Stool. Tired of bulky seating? This innovative stool unfolds in just seconds, providing instant comfort wherever you go. Its unique design makes setup a breeze. Don't let its lightweight design fool you. Engineered with a patented fish scale structure and reinforced materials, it boasts an impressive 400 pounds load capacity and superior stability. Customize your comfort with adjustable height settings. Easily adapt it to your needs, whether you're at a picnic, fishing, or just relaxing at home. Weighing only 2.54 pounds and featuring an adjustable strap, this stool is designed for ultimate portability. Take it camping, hiking, or to any outdoor event with ease. Designed with your convenience in mind, it features snap joints to prevent accidental opening when closed. This ensures it stays compact and ready for your next adventure. Experience durability like never before. Its robust construction and reinforced ribs ensure it can withstand frequent use, offering reliable seating for years to come. What we like. This stool is exceptionally lightweight and portable, making it easy to carry anywhere. Its height is adjustable, allowing you to customize it to your needs. If you need a compact, versatile seating solution that's easy to transport and adjust for various activities like hiking or fishing, this telescoping stool is a fantastic choice. What people say. Collapsing down to a mere 2.5 inches, it easily slips into my tackle bag or can be comfortably carried using the integrated nylon web handle or the handy, storable shoulder strap. Being able to adjust it to intermediate heights is a nice feature, offering flexibility beyond the standard full extension of about 17.75 inches, which is a comfortable sitting height for me. The advertised 400 pounds load capacity gives me a significant sense of security, especially when using it on a boat where balance can sometimes be a factor. Number 2. Best Choice Products Oversized Zero Gravity Chair. Experience unparalleled relaxation with our oversized padded chair. Its extra-wide seating and weather-resistant fabric conform to your body for a truly comfortable experience. Enjoy hours of comfort with its thick, additional padding and a spacious 24-inch seat. This chair is designed to support up to 300 pounds, providing a cozy spot for anyone. Take your comfort wherever you venture. Its lightweight and folding design makes it perfect for the beach, park, backyard, or any outdoor event. Stay connected and entertained with the detachable side tray. It features 2 cup holders, a phone mount, and a tablet holder, keeping your essentials within easy reach. Effortlessly transition into a soothing zero-gravity position with the smooth reclining system. Elastic and locks provide extra support for a perfectly balanced recline. Crafted with durable polyester mesh in an elegant espresso brown color, this chair is built to last and complement any outdoor setting. What we like. Experience ultimate relaxation with its zero-gravity reclining feature and a convenient detachable side tray with multiple holders. It also offers thick padded comfort for extended lounging. If you desire a chair that lets you fully recline and relax with all your essentials within reach, this lounger is perfect for your backyard or patio. What people say. It is really easy to operate, very comfortable, and reasonably priced. Super lightweight but feels sturdy at the same time. It's larger and wider than I expected, which makes it more comfy. The 160 degrees maximum reclining angle is actually better than the one we bought that advertised theirs would extend to 170 degrees. So, sleeping on this chair is better as far as feeling more like sleeping on a camping cot. Number 1. Cosco All-Steel Folding Chair Black, 4-pack. Introducing the Cosco All-Steel Folding Chair, designed for your convenience. This set includes 4 chairs in a sleek black finish. When not in use, they fold up tight and compact. This makes storage incredibly easy, saving you valuable space. Built with a durable steel frame, these chairs are made to last. The powder-coated finish ensures long-lasting resilience. Featuring cross braces and a tube-in-tube reinforced frame, they offer exceptional strength and stability. You can rely on them for secure seating. Worry no more about your floors. The non-marring leg tips are designed to protect your floor surfaces from scratches. Enjoy a comfortable seating experience with the contoured seat and back. They are designed to provide support and comfort for extended periods. What we like. This is a no-frills, durable option with an all-steel frame for robust stability. It conveniently folds flat for easy storage. If you need a straightforward, sturdy, and stackable chair for events or extra seating that's built to last and easy to put away, this pack of chairs is a practical solution. What people say. Heavy, sturdy, quality chairs. It's a matte textured metal with a good weight to it. Comfortable, sturdy, very well constructed, attractive, easy to fold, lightweight. They are very sturdy and quite portable. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.